my subscribers.
No,
and
shout outs
many
to
more.
38 people, because there was some.
Shout outs to 11 people.
You mean 13?
Well, yeah, 13.
Okay,
Okay, guys, I feel like this game. No, it's not mini. This one's not mini.
It is kind of. We already saw it. Yeah.
Bro, this is so cool.
Oh, it's another firework! Ah, fire! Yeah, I'm taking my camera.
God, dude, this is so cool.
I know.
You should play. Dude, so cool.
Yeah. Whoa, this
Super
is awesome,
cool.
Cindy. Wait, we've been alive during the volcano in 1980.
Oh yeah, my camera cut off.
Oh, you got wrecked, bro.
I'll make part 2, whatever. I don't really care.
16 minutes. I'm like almost 16 minutes. Whoa.
I don't really, guys. I don't really
clap because I finished.
I don't really care that my camera cut off. I'll just make part 2.
Dude, I always have to go in like water at some point.
You know, I'm actually happy. So you know,
Yeah, Cindy,
I don't care my camera cut off.
To, like, I
mean,
gonna go like swim. So.
It's kind of annoying, but you know what?
Yeah. I can't even see my face, but
my mom's gonna call the company tomorrow. It'll be all good.
it'll be all good.
Get a new camera, hopefully. Refund on this old one. And
This old crappy.
yeah, I don't really. This one, there's something wrong with
We had
it.
a good run.
Yeah, it served me well for short videos.
Yeah, it started me good for short videos, and then you're like, oh, let's do a 20-minute video. Cut off.
Nope.
All right, here we go.
Okay, guys, this is Whoa! It's like a flare.
Yeah, you guys can kind of see the color actually.
Yeah, you can pick up the red.
Yeah, and like the green. And, oh,
No, there's only red.
now there's no color really. Whoa, that looks like a big like explode.
Guys, this is kind of cool.
Dark.
This is kind of cool, guys.
I know.
I like it.
We're sending all this pollution.
I mean, there's a lot of smoke, but you know what?
Yeah.
That's what you get for like fireworks.
That's what you get for pretty much everything, bro.
Yeah, if you like fireworks, you're guaranteed to have some smoke. Oh no, it's on fire!
The little flare.
It's on fire now.
I dare Cindy to go in that.
No, you go in that.
No, it's a little dot. It looks like a spaceship now. It looks like a planet. Oh, now it's gone in complete darkness. You can see my camera light though.
Yeah, you can see.
Dude, this is almost 20 minutes. Holy crap.
Yeah, mine I'm just gonna have to post separate
you're gonna
videos.
have to post like 2 parts.
Yeah, this video is like probably 17 minutes long.
This is probably gonna be my longest video ever, guys.
Yeah, this will be my longest video ever, except it's gonna be in parts. So. Sorry about that inconvenience. Just watch some back.
I have iMovie. Download iMovie. Sponsored by iMovie. No,
dude, I don't have an iPhone or iPod
or laptop.
I don't have an iPod or iPhone, dude.
You could have like a laptop to go download iMovie, and then you could just merge.
Wait, did my phone? No. Yeah, sorry about the.
Another one. 2. How much more fireworks?
We have sparklers right now.
Okay, we're gonna be done for a second, guys. We're gonna be done here.
Thanks, Mom.
And rocket ship.
Sparkler, sparkler,
So sparkler,
sparkler.
guys. You can't even see. You can see Supreme Earth.
Yeah, sparkler. I don't know why I'm recording this, but
Whoa, you can see my face.
maybe you can see my face, maybe you can't. I don't really care. So.
Yeah, you can't see Supreme Earth's face.
But you can see Miss Clisola's face, right?